a great day today. Let me introduce myself. I'm Faza, Mufti Harahap. I'm from the Al-Washliyah. Please give me to tell you a story entitled The Elvenking and the Little Bird. Short story by the end. So please listen to me carefully. In an elven kingdom in the far earth, winter has come. The snow color was sealed into white in one of the palace gardens. The king must enjoy the view in front of him. Winter has always been his favorite season because the mystic next forest landscape become a more intended. From a distance seen a flash of shadow. Longer it get closer and clearer. The king did not believe what he saw. A small bird flew from the woods, then stopped to greet the king. The king welcomed the little bird with kindness, allowing the little bird see his figure. Why are you living out here in the winter, little bird? You should sleep in your wonders. Praise to the king, said the little bird. I have come back from a long trip, my lord. A long trip? Yes, the little bird nodded. Amazing! It would be a great story you can share with your family. I know it. Thank you so much, my lord. The king remembered something. You just come back from the woods? Yes, my lord. Why? Asked the little bird. Then do you see my ceremony wearing? The little bird tried to remember. The prize. Ah yes, I see the prize running so fast, yours. Oh yeah, if it's so, it's already on the right path. The little bird was confused. Then he asked to the king. Sorry, my lord, but where will the prize go in a winter like this? He's getting away from his house. I'm seeing a way, the king replied, because the job has to do. Can it wait until the winter passes, my lord? Asked the little bird. I'm worried. If it waits longer, it will be too late, said the king. I'm flying home, but the time just drove away, said the little bird with regret. The king just laughed. No need to worry, he'll be back soon. I hope so, said the little bird smiling back. You see, you really are, I said. That's right. The little bird was impressive. Of course, my lord, because the fire was so friendly to every animal around in the kingdom. Oh yeah, nice to know that, said the king with happily. Exactly. Why do you see yourself in the winter, my lord? I see him to the dark forest on the moonlight. What? The dark forest on the moonlight? Isn't that place so dangerous? Said little bird, shocked. No, human, there's no enter the forest. It has a big cliff in there, said the little bird. It's so scary. But the king just smiled. Yeah, I know, but there's nothing to fear for my family. You say just like that. Yeah, I see. But Why did you see yourself to go there, my lord? Because some of them need help. All friends need help. And for what? Asked the little girl. Tuhan rich. What? Tuhan rich? Oh my God. I hope the price will be okay there. True, said the king. Okay, everyone. From this story, we can learn a lesson. The lesson is, if we are kind to someone, then we will be now, well, the other people. And if we are